What more can you tell us about the DOJ's announcement and when we might learn what's in these newly found files?
Good morning, Tricia. The word stunning is being used. Stunning and potential criticism being leveled at the DOJ simply because they have said several times before that was all there was to see. That was all they had, and those were all the documents they had to turn over. And then, as you say, late yesterday, Christmas Eve, an announcement from the DOJ that there could be potentially 1 million more of these documents. And when we say documents, we've seen this in the recent dumps. Not only documents, we have messages, we have photographs, we have all ways of people who interacted with Jeffrey Epstein. Now, no proven criminality at this point, to be sure, but the issue is around this, especially coming from victims and victims advocates saying, look, if all this material was out there, how was it that no one else in this case was charged? Let's look at the statement from the DOJ that they put out, in part saying this: we have lawyers working around the clock to review and make the legally required redactions to protect victims, and we will release the documents as soon as possible. Due to the mass volume of material, this process may take a few more weeks. The department will continue to fully comply with federal law and President Trump's direction to release the files. Here's the issue on this, though. Congress had passed overwhelmingly a rule that's saying that all the material should have been released last Friday. So the idea that, yes, there was a large dump this week, still, though, the fact that there is potentially 1 million more documents out there has raised a tremendous number of concerns. And this, again, criticism being leveled at the DOJ, especially by Democrats, but of others who have fought long and hard to see the full extent of Jeffrey Epstein's activities